So now we have a design window. This window is called Solution Explorer, and this window is called Property. And Steven, can you help us go to View? Click View, and if it reset doesn't work, and you go to Property window to make this pop out, is okay. Then we are going to coming back here, click here, the here, and go to the toolbox. Right here, toolbox. Yeah, click it. All right. So on the toolbox here, I'm going to ask you to select common control, the second one, common control. Okay, good. Then after you select common control, okay, don't move anything. Good, very good, like that. Then I want you pin. Click on the pin, make it do upside down. Okay, good. Now you got this right now. Okay, so I'm going to clear, and now you have a tab right here. That's good, but we will find out how to let it go away right now. Now you have this. Okay, so one more time, we are going to, so remember, we are learning a new language, and the language is dynamic, means they change every other month. They put a new thing, will be slightly different from 1 month ago. We have to accept this is the fact, because we are not learning a history class or a mathematics class. Is forever like that way. Okay, now we are going to learn to put, the first thing is put a label, and we put a label right here, and with your name, on. Is that okay? Now, before we put the label here, we need to find out where's the label. The label is right here. The label is right here. All right. Once you drag the label to here, click it, double click it, or drag to here. Yeah. All right. You see the label is always shrink, very small, and you have to go to a label property. The label property here. I need you to first, that's your property. Select this. Yeah, and go to A to Z. Yeah, okay, great. A to Z here. Then you scroll up. Scroll all the way up here, No, I need you to click on A to Z, and scroll all the way to the top. Yeah, all the way to the top. All right, and on the name here, okay. Now wait for me. Is that okay? Wait for me. So the label is always going to start with LBL. So you're going to be LBL name. Can you do like that? Please type it. No space. Good job. Okay. Now, second thing I need you to do is this. All right. The second thing I need to do is the auto size here. You will see here say auto size. Auto size here. It has to change to false. Click it. Click here and change to false. Good. False. Okay. Good job. Now, Steven, move your label to the center. Move it. Yeah. Move to the center to here, young man. To here. Oh, good job. Thank you very much. And after that, I need you to scroll down to go to the text property. Scroll down more. Good job. And you see the text property. Let me show you. You see the text property here. And here the label, before that, hold on, I need to go do one more thing. And scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, all the way up. Sorry. Okay. Then right here, the border style, I want you to select. Right here you can select. You always go to that to select. All right, click it and select fix single. Fix single. Good job. Okay, good. Now, can you make you can click on this corner here to make your label bigger? Can you do that? Yeah. Oh, bigger, bigger. Okay. Okay, great job. Very good right now. I like it a lot. Then I clear. Then I need to go down to that text. Text. T-E-X-T. And that's text here. It say label 1. Then I need you to change here. Oh, let me type and you know. My name is Steven. Okay? And put your last name too. Can you type like that? Okay, great. Press enter. All right. Now that is too small, so you scroll up. You scroll up. All right. And go to the font size here. Go to a font size here. Right here. Click here. Click the font size here. Okay, click that three dot. Three dot. All right. You can change any font you want. The textbook always do Seagull UI, but you pick anything you want. But we want it bolded. We want it to be bolded. You pick something and you want it to be bolded. You want to be size 18. Is that what I say? 18. Okay, hit OK. Oh, we want red color too. Is that right? So go to the full color. Click on that. Click on that. And just go to the custom. Custom. The first one here. Yeah, young man. Click on here. Sorry. Am I confused you? Yeah. Pick a red. All right. That's it. All right. So now I need you to do this right now. I need you to click on build it. Okay. I need to click on build it. Yes. And build solution. The first one. Build solution. Good job. All right. Thank you, Stephen. Wait. Okay. So once you see right here, one succeeded, 0 fail, 0. This is good right now. So you need to continue. And you're going to go debug. Going to debug right here. Debug, son. All right. And I want to choose the second one. Second one. Debug. No. Go down. Go down. Start without debugging. Click it.
Do I have to share the new screen?
Yeah. You are a teacher right now. You already know. Okay. This is Canvas. Okay. We always work with Canvas, right? So my name is Steven. Okay. He got his in right now. Okay. Can you close it? And you close it. And now, Steven, go back to your Visual Studio. Go back to Visual Studio. So right here, down here, you must close the exe file. Did you close your exe file? Exe file.
But I did now.
Okay, good. Now he can do something else right now. So do you understand, everybody? Everybody. So we need to do like this. And thank you for Steven to help us. Don't go away, Steven. The next is